Okay, we are gonna build this map in the tutorial. I'm gonna show you a bit of stuff now that I haven't explained in the other tutorial videos. So first of all, you can press F to enter free camera mode, and then hold space, move the mouse to look around. Use W, A, S, D, Q, and E to fly around. This is useful for getting into a nice position for a screenshot, or just to get into a good position to edit stuff. Then you can press F again to go back to the top-down view. Over here is the weather panel. If I go to free mode again, you can change the skybox over here. Maybe I go a little bit down so you can actually see it, like this. There are I think over 100 different skyboxes. Here you can make them auto-rotate or stop the auto-rotation. Maybe you want to take a nice screenshot at this rotation of the skybox, then you can just turn off the auto-rotate. Over here you can adjust the watercolor. You can make it red water if it's maybe it's in the evening or something, I don't know. Or you can make a very blue water for ocean or something. And then the water height that you can set. I'm gonna just put it back under the boat, like this. Yeah, okay. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, over here you can render the water. You can turn it on and off. By default it will be off because of performance, because it will be performance heavy, even though it's not visible. Then over here we can change the look of the map by changing the red, green, and blue of the sun. You can make your map a little bit greener if you want to, or just yeah, you can play around with it. There's infinite use cases for this. And then we have the sun rotation, the sun height. This is the angle of the sun, and the shadow strength. So maybe if I go to this angle, I can show you sun rotation at us, and then if I change the height, the sun should appear. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you can take nice screenshots like this. And then we have the intensity. If you want to make it very bright, you can do it here. Over here we have wind. This will work only for some of the trees. Maybe not this one. Oh yeah, it does work, but it doesn't work for some of the trees. You can change the daytime. This will essentially adjust these values over here to certain values that are representing evening, night, day, and morning. And then you can make it rain, storm, snow, or blizzard. The weather will spawn wherever the camera in the top-down view is. So it will spawn somewhere up here. Yeah, you can adjust the position of the top-down view to make it perfect for the free camera view. Over here we have some birds. There's flock and free roam. The flock will fly around together, and the free roam will be a bunch of birds roaming freely, independent of each other. And I'm gonna turn off the snow real quick. Okay. So this is Fog of War. I'm gonna go to top-down for this. You can turn it on here, and then with minus you just erase it. In the play mode, by hitting tab, you can see what the players will see if you have activated a second screen. And then you can hide stuff again like this. And yeah, that's Fog of War. Over here there's the grid. You can disable and enable it. Also G button will work for this. You can make it always visible, so as you can see it's even visible above the trees and bushes and bridges and everywhere. I'm gonna turn this off. You can adjust the strength of the grid and the height. Maybe if you want it, you can see it over here, if you want it on top of the bushes but not on top of the trees, you have to set it a little bit higher. Then you have some music, some ambient sounds like cavern, or maybe I think I have waves over here, yeah. So maybe this will fit. I will turn it a little bit down, or actually I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, but I will add some more over here. You can add them to your map. So this is a cutscene manager menu. You can add positions like position 1, position 2, and much more. I will just go with one. Oh no, this is a bug I have to still fix. I'm sorry. If you play again, it will do just fine. I'm sorry. Then you can clear position if you want to do another one, like here, and then it works. Yeah, sometimes it turns around. I don't know why. I have to look into this. You can also, if you are very happy with how the map looks from this angle, you can take a loading screen, and then in the scene before, it will have a little icon instead of a gray button. It will be the screenshot, and also in the loading screen it will be the screenshot. Over here is the token menu. I will make a separate tutorial for this. And very important, over here is the question mark that will tell you all about the hotkeys that are in the game. I would definitely recommend you have a look at this. Okay, so that's it for these buttons up top here. I'm gonna show you how to make a river. So maybe you want a river in your map. You can click this button, then you say new river mark, and this circle appears here, and then you move your camera a little bit and another one will appear here, and you have a little river going. So you can move one and move this one. You will just have to adjust the terrain so it will fit with the water flow. These two buttons, the smaller ones, are the ones that make it curvy. Maybe you know this from other programs. It has similar system, and yeah, then you can shape your river. Also, you can add more river marks, like here, and then put it over here. You can do it yourself. You can delete them by pressing delete button, and if you want to get rid of your river, you can just do this. Okay, so I think that's it. You can watch the other videos that will tell you. I will tell you how to make this map. I added a bunch of objects over here. The light, I think I didn't do in the video, in the boat and the bridge, but all the other stuff. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.